Our busiest little machine here on our property. It's got an injury. Got a broken hydraulic line here. I don't know if it's from age or operator error. I do let my children operate this so they can learn, but unfortunately part of that stuff like that happens. Mac ran into our kayaks that are hanging on the back of our shed, pushed the hood in, broke the headlight assembly. It's like $600 to repair that, so unfortunately that's gonna have to live like that for a little while. But my loader is useless when it's leaking hydraulic fluid. So we're gonna get this guy off of there, take it to my local dealer first thing in the morning, and they're gonna make me a new hose. We're gonna take the bottom fitting off first, because that's the swivel. I was actually surprised, these are standard fittings. I thought for sure they'd be metric. Dry rotted. This is probably going to be the first of few. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these flexible lines. I don't know if you can see it. No, not really. Oh, there it is. It's just dry rotted. It happens. So we'll see you when we're back with a new one. We got our nice new hydraulic line from our local dealership. It's pretty nice. It's a much higher PSI rating, much more flexible than the old line. Took them about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I walked in with the old line, handed it to them, and they made this up. Pretty sweet. It's a little more expensive than the factory one, but I don't have to wait a week to get the factory one. So we got B with us. He's going to be doing the installation, mechanic, and training.
Hello.
First he's going to put a little oil in the O-ring. Nope. Just going to hold our ring a little bit to help the seating process. Install the top one first because the bottom one has the swivel fitting. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple. straightforward. We're going to get her started up, get her connected back up, get the system bled out, and add any oil that we lost. The next repair is going to be separating that axle, because that O-ring where those two pieces meet is leaking. Stay tuned. Working like a charm.
Yeah, it's not struggling like it used to.
Well, it's because the system wasn't sealed. We're getting full pressure. Take it all the way up. Whoa, whoa, watch your fingers. You're fine. Hardest working machine back in action.